My name is Cheryl, and today we're going to make soap. Soap making is a chemical process. It's a lot of fun. However, it does require specific equipment and instructions and a reliable recipe. So the first thing I recommend, now I'm going to be giving you a recipe that I like, but first thing I recommend is that whether it be online or in the library, you look around for a recipe that captures your interest, that has ingredients in them that you think you're going to enjoy. For instance, you will have to decide whether you want to make your soap primarily out of animal fats or items such as olive oil and canola oil. You will have to decide what kind of additives you want to put in. Things like coconut oil will change the hardness of the soap. Things like buttermilk will add lathering to your soap. Oatmeal, ground oatmeal, is excellent for making a soothing soap to your skin. You may want to add extra moisturizing by including cocoa butter. These are calendula leaves and petals. They add soothing quality to the soap. And then there's the whole realm of fragrances. These days, unlike the days of old where we had to go burn wood and leach water to get lye, everything's available at the grocery store, at natural food stores, and online. So I recommend that you first find a recipe that you want to use, that you read the instructions, review this video, start to feel comfortable with the idea of having a basic understanding of what the process is, and then buy your ingredients. Particularly if you're ordering them, you're going to have to plan a little ahead.